Well, I remember the offensive cat when me and him used to do sketches about Jaya Yun and all that. And basically what happened was I spread the voice up and the offensive cat just done his usual offensiveness and it was quite funny. Still think about it today. So I kinda remember the offensive cat in his early years and sadly he died in that video, the last one we made with Jaya Yun. I was very upset when I heard the news that he actually died and it was not part of the act. So that's all I had to say. The reason being is because I'm very naughty. I was very naughty to you and I am very apologising. But still, you are still what I said in the video and then you are technically right. I just want to apologise to Jaya Yun, but still I don't forgive you!
My relationship with the offensive cat was one of, how would you describe it? Perhaps as mutual disrespect because he was so offensive to me. He was rude, he was belligerent, rambunctious and cantankerous and offensive.
I remember Offensive Cat with great respect. He was very offensive, he was a very offensive cat, but ultimately I enjoyed his company. I'm very, very sad he's gone. That's it.